Alhamdulillah, it's pretty good. Everything you need good condition to come here. So, which way do we over? Can't complain.
Standing tall as the cold winds pass by. Rain on our jackets, unbuttoned our wings. Yet every drop of hardship brings a peace the heart feels.
This is what we do. Alhamdulillah. It's pleasing to the heart. Oh, we need to go off here, mate. Oh, this is Westdale Pass, lads. You need good knees, shins, everything. You need good condition to come here with your bike. Otherwise, you'll be gone. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, what is this? Stream. So, which way do we take? Let's go this way. Yeah, that's it. It shows we're so far away. Yeah. Because we're going round and round, coming down the hill. It feels we've done so much. We have, but so, to be honest, not that long distance. But the problem is, if you go straight, it's easy. Because you're coming down, round and round. You're doing a lot of distance. I don't know why. Google Maps said it's 3 point something. Oh. Under the shade of the trees. One of the best way to ride bike here is to be on your feet, not on your bum. Or else you're going to kill yourself. I'm not professional. I'm just a normal rider like you guys. Use your brake more often. See that? Whoa. Oh, so this is a million times better, man. If you compare this with the other path, just come down. It's like earth and heaven, bro. Oh. Ooh. I don't know how they do it, the professionals. But yeah, they zoom through this stuff, man. Here I am, struggling. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh. Speed it up, bro. Let's speed up. Feels like puncture tire punctured. Nope. 자이트다고 slowly 자이트다고. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Can't complain. Alhamdulillah, it's been a mission and a half today. Ooh. You can't take us away. Just imagine if we had a lighter bike, we could carry it down. Like 2 kg bike and come here and ride it. This is not that heavy, by the way, it's about 11 kg.
But in that struggle, something changed. The mountain stood silent.
Yeah, I
yet they
could see
spoke.
these stones, bro.
The wind roared, yet it reminded.
Yeah.
Every drop of rain, every breath we took was a sign from Allah.